In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Google Play Store. We will do that by switching the Google account that Play Store is using, and if needed, adding a new one. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. You should see the familiar Play Store home screen with app suggestions, a search bar at the top, and different tabs such as games and apps. If the Play Store does not open, wait a moment for it to load, since a slow connection can delay the main page. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the Play Store screen. This is the small circular icon, often showing your photo or the first letter of your name. When you tap it, a panel slides down, showing your name, your current Google email, and several menu options such as Manage your Google account and Settings. Next, tap the small down arrow next to your current Google account at the top of that panel. This arrow sits right beside your email address. Tapping it opens a list of all Google accounts that are already signed in on this device. You might see one or several emails here, each ready to use with Play Store. From that list, select the Google account or email you want to use with Google Play. Just tap the email you prefer. The panel closes, and you are returned to the Play Store home screen. A useful detail here is that the apps shown, your installed list and purchase history now match the account you just selected, and the profile picture in the corner updates to that account. If the email you want is not listed there, open the Android Settings app on your device. You will usually find a gear icon for settings on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once Settings opens, you will see different categories like Network, Apps, and Accounts. From here, go to the section called Passwords and Accounts, or it may simply be called Accounts on some devices. Inside this section, you will see all accounts currently linked to your phone, including any Google accounts, and sometimes accounts for messaging or social apps. Tap Add Account near the bottom of that screen. This tells Android you want to attach another account to the device. A list appears with different account types that your phone supports, such as Google or email. Now select Google from that list. After you tap Google, a sign-in screen appears. Here, sign in with the new email you want to use in the Google Play Store. Enter the email address and password carefully, then follow any on-screen prompts, such as two-step verification. When you finish, Android adds this Google account to your device, and it will appear in the account list. Once that is done, open the Google Play Store again. Tap your profile picture, tap the down arrow, and select the new account you just added. Google Play reloads under that email, and you now see apps and purchases linked to that account. You have now switched the email used in Google Play Store by changing the active Google account on your device. So if this helped, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple Android tips.